Good morning, gentlemen. My name is Greg Oravec. I'm the mayor of the city of Port St. Lucie. Would you mind if I make a statement? Thank you very much. On behalf of the city of Port St. Lucie, our 5-person city council, our city manager, our 1,000+ employees, 190,000 people and growing every day, we want to formally welcome you to the city of Port St. Lucie. And we think it's a pretty big deal, as you alluded to in your opening comments. Do you mind if I serenade you just for a minute? Do you mind?
Yeah, sure.
Whereas the city of Port St. Lucie is building something special, safe, beautiful, and prosperous city for all people. And whereas the success of any city, and especially the city of Port St. Lucie, is a function of its citizens, the people, businesses, and institutions that comprise it, and is often measured in quality of life. And whereas the success of our citizens and our community's quality of life is fundamentally dependent upon health and wellness, and whereas the city of Port St. Lucie is a growing, thriving community that warmly welcomes new citizens and especially appreciates those who are committed to making their community, state, country, and world a better place. And whereas the Cleveland Clinic is a world-renowned nonprofit, multi-specialty academic medical center which integrates clinical and hospital care with research and education and is dedicated to providing better care for the sick, investigating what makes them sick, and further educating those who care for the sick. And whereas since its inception, the Cleveland Clinic has proven its ability to not only successfully carry out this critical mission, but also to advance the entire field of medicine and to make the communities it serves in the world a better place, among many other notable accomplishments. And whereas stated more simply, the Cleveland Clinic is one of the best hospitals in the world. And whereas the Cleveland Clinic has officially merged with and acquired one of the city of Port St. Lucie's great institutions, Martin Health System, making our state-of-the-art Tradition Medical Center part of the Cleveland Clinic, in fact, Cleveland Clinic Tradition Hospital. And whereas the people of Port St. Lucie are very proud to welcome the Cleveland Clinic to their new home and to have a world-class healthcare provider operate one of our local hospitals, and whereas the Cleveland Clinic can be expected to positively impact the health and wellness of our citizens and to improve our community's overall quality of life, thereby facilitating our city's greater prosperity, and whereas there is great overlap in the visions and missions of the city and the Cleveland Clinic, and we have a special opportunity to work together to achieve shared goals that will make our community and our world a better place. And whereas we would like to formally welcome the Cleveland Clinic to Port St. Lucie and to memorialize this momentous occasion, now therefore I, Gregory J. Oravec, Mayor of the City of Port St. Lucie, Florida, do hereby declare today, January the 9th, 2019, the Cleveland Clinic Day in Port St. Lucie.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mayor.
Dr. Marcel.
Pleasure,
sir.
Thank you.
Doctor.
It was absolutely
Thank you.
wonderful. Thank you very
Thank you
much.
very much.
This is very gracious of you. Thank you.